Now, here I will discuss about some numerical problems related to torque. Okay. This is also given in your book, but still I am discussing so that you can understand. Karan can open a 2-meter wide door by applying a force of 4 Newton. Find the moment of force required to open the door. Okay. So Karan can open a 2-meter wide door by applying a force of 4 Newton. We have to find the moment of force required to open the door. Okay. So see here. Suppose this is a door. Okay. And this is the frame of the door. Okay. And this is the door. This is the entrance. This is the door. Okay. So you can consider that point as the pivot. Okay. And the door is 2 meter wide. Okay. And we apply force here to open or close the door. Okay. We grab the handle here and we open or close the door. Okay. So force is applied here. So the distance from pivot to the applied force, to the point where the force is applied, is 2 meter. That means the width of the door. Okay. And here we are applying, that means Karan is applying 4 Newton of force. Okay. So to get, we know moment of force is F into D. That means the magnitude of the force into distance of the point where the force is applied from the pivot. So distance from, this is pivot, and this distance from pivot to the point where the force is applied is the width of the door, that is 2 meter. And the magnitude of the force is 4 Newton. So M is equal to, so D is equal to 2 meter, F is equal to 4 Newton, so M is equal to 4 into 2, that is 8 Newton meter. Okay. So the moment of force required to open the door is 8 Newton meter. So this is quite easy example. See here. Soma opens a nut with the help of a spanner of length 20 cm by applying a force of 100 Newton. What should be the minimum length of the spanner if her younger brother Joy opens it with a force of 40 Newton? Okay. So see, here is a nut. Okay. You can consider the middle point of the nut as a pivot, or the whole nut as a pivot, because width of the nut is negligible. Okay. And length of the wrench is 20 centimeter. Okay. And force applied is 100 Newton. Okay. So first we have to calculate the moment of force needed to open the nut. Okay. So Soma applied 100 Newton of force, and the length of the wrench is 20 centimeter. Sorry, length of the spanner is 20 centimeter. Okay. So the moment of force is 100 into 20 centimeter, that means 0.2 meter. 100 into 0.2 Newton meter, that means 20 Newton meter. So 20 Newton meter of meter torque is needed to open the nut. Okay. So if her younger brother wants to open the nut, then he has to produce this 20 Newton meter of torque. Okay. Now his younger brother can only apply 40 Newton of force. So the length of the spanner should be bigger. Okay. So suppose the length of the spanner should be D. Okay. So 40, that means the force applied by his younger brother, by her younger brother. Okay. So 40 into D is equal to 20 Newton meter. That means the moment of force needed to open the nut. Okay. Here we can calculate D is equal to 20 by 40, that is half meter, that means 50 centimeter. Okay, so the length of the spanner should be 50 centimeter if his younger brother wants to open the nut, okay, by applying 40 Newton. I hope you understood this to a basic example. If you have any doubt or confusion, please inform me.